Hi, Julianne. I just wanted to say thank you so much for allowing me to make this video for you. I didn't know that it was YouTube originally. It seems like an amazing product, a really awesome product. It's going to be a little hard to figure out how to rank though without its own website. And I tried to Google similar products, and it looks like there's this one blind mark drywall, but they also do not have a website. They are just listed in Amazon. So that's just gonna be very difficult to figure out how to rank you without SMARX having its own website. We could definitely create a website for SMARX or other like products, say that your brother is wanting to develop, and that would be an avenue that we could take. Another avenue would be social media ads. We could create Facebook ads for SMARX and put it out there in that way, and that will give a lot of traffic. You can let me know what you think about that. But just to give you an idea in regards to ranking a website, if SMARX had its own website, I put the YouTube one in here in this tool that we use, and it's still registering because it's so big. But it's basically ranking on the words YouTube. And so that's why it's got 55 billion backlinks, 19 million referring domains, and we don't know the keywords yet. But these three components right here on an actual website are what you need to rank with Google. And so we can definitely, set SMARX up with the website, its own website, and begin, trying to rank it. And in that way, but I think the best bet for an individual product would be, unless you have a website and it has its own page, then we can try to rank it that way and get it out there. But the best thing to do would be possibly Facebook ads. But just to give you an idea, this is other websites and domains that YouTube is connected to, 55 billion. And it's the combination of backlinks, referring domains or citations, and then keywords within the website that help you to bring in that traffic each month and rank to the top of Google. But we can't really do that with just a simple product on its own. And I'm sorry I couldn't give you more information about it, but I would be happy to create a simple website for you for SMARX for the product, and try to rank it on the top of Google in regards to specific keywords, getting backlinks and referring domains. In that way, please let me know. Thank you, Julianne.